I have a Trane XE900 condenser that needs a fan motor. All the labels on motor are gone. I need to know what motor I need for replacement. There are several online but range in HP from 1/8 to 1/4. Can you help me with this problem?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
The model is TWD748A100A1.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Serial number is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yes.
Hello, the horsepower can be higher than needed but not lower. You have a 4-ton unit which will take 1/4 of a horsepower and up. I often use the rescue motor that is a universal fit. You can go 1/4, 1/3 or half a horsepower.
Does it matter which brand motor? The one that was in it was a GE.
Brand does not matter. As long as it is the same mount, voltage and rotation with high enough horsepower.
I don't have a label to identify voltage or rotation. Any ideas?
Your voltage will be 220 V single phase and most all motors now come reversible.
There is a number engraved in motor casing. It is N670SCX. Does this help?
No, that is a casted part number of the case itself.
Okay, thank you. What RPMs do I need?
825 revolutions per minute.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.